Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A wolf saw a goat browsing near the edge of a high cliff. "My dear friend," he cried in his most sympathetic voice, "aren't you afraid you will get dizzy and fall and hurt yourself?" But the goat went on feeding. The wolf cried again, "Isn't it terribly windy up there so high, with no shelter at all?" But the goat went on plucking grass. "Besides," shouted the wolf, "I'm sure you will find the grass far sweeter and more abundant down here." Then the goat replied, "Are you quite sure, friend wolf, that it is my dinner that you are so solicitous about, not your own?" The name of the story, The Wolf and the Goat. The moral: beware of a friend with an ulterior motive. The second story. In olden times, people lighted their homes with lamps in which the pith of rushes served as wicks. There was one particular rushlight which had soaked up considerable grease and was feeling more than a little boastful. One evening it announced before a large company that it could outshine the sun, the moon, and the stars. At that very moment, a puff of wind came and blew it out. The servant who relighted it said, "Shine on, friend rushlight, and hold your tongue. There is no wind strong enough to blow out the lights of heaven." The name of the story, The Farthing Rushlight. The moral: know thy place and keep it. Now, daily motivational quote. If you believe it will work, you will see opportunities. If you don't believe it will work, you will see obstacles. Wayne Dyer. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay at rest. Stay tuned.